Legends of Learning presents
Unity's
the
Factory.
Unity's Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about
is the
finding
area of the
area
shape?
by counting unit squares fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game,
Shape.
you are in a factory and you will learn to identify and compare the area of funny figures in 2 dimensions.
What is the area of the shape?
This game will test your knowledge on area and how to count unit squares. You will use your math skills to count the number of square units in different math problems.
Which shape has an area
First
of
choose
9
the
square
correct
units?
answers to count the right amount of units to correctly progress to the next level. You will have to identify the right shapes with the right
shape
amount of
has an
square
area of
units to
7
answer
square
other
units?
questions. Compare 3 shapes and choose the 2 that have the same
Find 2
amount of
shapes that have the
squares in
same
order to
area.
complete the math questions to progress to higher levels. Complete all the levels to win the game.
Find
Use
2
your knowledge
shapes that
of
have
math
the
to
same
complete
area.
this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.